If you want to start using Jobber, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To sign up to Jobber, first go to Jobber website, fill the email input, and click Start Free Trial. And you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to create and enter a password for your account. After entering your password, click Start Free Trial again. You'll now be taken to a page that says your free trial is active. Here, you'll need to provide some information that Jobber requires, such as your name and business details. After filling in the necessary info, you'll move on the next section called Set up your business. Complete the fields with the relevant information about your business. Next, Jobber will ask you, what is your top priority? You can select the option that best fits your goals. After that, they'll ask you how you found Jobber. Fill in that information as well. And finally, you'll be presented with an offer to purchase Jobber services. For now, I'll select No Thanks. After that, wait a few moments as Jobber sets up your account. Once done, you'll be directed to your account homepage. And that's it! You've successfully created your Jobber account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.